Welcome back to the channel here at Luckily Outdoors, luckyOutdoors.com. I want to just take a second to share something with you. This little guy. So, I just recently got this on the website. This is the Tactical M4 mug. And of course, I had to have one because how can you not, right? So I've been using this thing, and it is as ridiculous and as awesome as it looks. Yeah, it's the anodized aluminum. It's got 3 Picatinny rails. Over here it's smooth, so you're not like hitting on your teeth or anything. An actual carry handle that's removable. And then does not come with a light. I just had an extra light, and of course, if I'm outside at a bonfire messing around in the yard, I want to see where I'm walking when it's dark. Why wouldn't you, right? So I've been using this thing, and it is awesome. I got to give you a close look at this. I just felt like I had to share this with you guys because it's a pretty fun product. I've been using it. I got it for sale. It's like $30. It's really cheap. So yeah, let's take a close look at this thing. All right, before you ask me, it's a Para Ordnance 1911 Black Ops Edition. They don't make those anymore. Anyway, so here's your cup. Anodized aluminum, Picatinny here. Here's that removable carry handle. And it actually has a flipping and adjustable rear side aperture on it. Why? Just because, I guess. This is just an Amazon special light I have on here. It's like 1600 lumens. It's enough to blind people. It's really fun. You go take a drink, you know, and the bottom of the cup's up in the air. You're looking at somebody, you can tap the light and blind the crap out of them. You know, just fun things to do around a campfire. Obviously, it sweats quite a lot because it's just aluminum. But you can see the bottom of this thing right here. I'm trying to do this without spilling. You see the bottom here, it's pretty aggressive, but it keeps the cup elevated, so I haven't actually had any issues with like water getting onto the surface just because of this. Helps quite a bit. Also, so the base of this is removable from the main mug. There is a massive O-ring built into the inside of it, inside of a groove, just to make sure it seals, but it's like finely threaded and screws all the way up in there. So the purpose of that is so you can actually clean it, because I can't get my hand all the way down there. But by taking that out, I can clean the whole thing really easily. So, yeah, pretty sweet. So, yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to share this with you. I thought it was a really fun product, and I've been using it, and I think it's hilarious, but also kind of cool. So, I want to share it with you. It's for sale on the website, luckyOutdoors.com. I'll put a link in the description so you can easily find it. And, yeah, we got a bunch of other stuff on the website, too. Much of other goofy stuff like dad's candles and some grenade soaps and stuff like that. So just go take a look at it. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to keep on using this thing and having fun with it and blinding people around the campfire. So get out there and have fun.